YouTube is making my business money. At the time of recording this video, I have less than 150 subscribers and I've been able to generate additional income for my business because of YouTube. Now, I'm not saying it's made me a millionaire. I'm not even saying it's made me a thousandaire, but YouTube has helped me to generate some additional income. And in this video, I'm going to give you 2 additional ways YouTube has helped generate additional income for my business, but also helped me better my business, helped improve my business. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Entrepreneur Club Global, where I talk about all things business related, starting a business, growing a business, and self-improvement related, bettering yourself and your life. And if that sounds of interest to you, hit the subscribe button and support the ting. So at the time of recording this video, I've been running YouTube almost 1 year, and this journey has taught me so much. Not only have I developed and learned new skills, but I've also been able to improve my current business. Now in this video, I don't just want to tell you how YouTube has made me money, but also how it's benefited me and my business. Now, since you're probably here to learn how YouTube has made me money with such little subscribers, I'm going to give you the first one. Now, the first way YouTube has made me money is with affiliate marketing. And this was a concept I didn't fully understand until I started this YouTube channel. Now, if you're not sure what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially getting paid for someone using your product link. So you see those links in my description box. If you click one of those and buy the products that I recommend, mainly the books that I recommend, I'll get a little bit of commission. And I've been able to use affiliate links within my business. On one of my YouTube videos on my business channel, I've got about 2,000 views. And this video recommends a product that I recommend for people who suffer with forearm tension. I know this isn't really relevant to this channel, but at least once a month, someone buys the product that I'm recommending in this video. Now, this is the product that I actually recommend and I actually believe in. And all I've done was create the video, put it up, put it on my website, and let the money roll in. Now, this hasn't generated me a lot of money, but for doing nothing is absolutely fantastic. And learning this concept of affiliate marketing has only helped broaden my mind into ways to develop my business further. Now, the main way YouTube has helped me earn a direct income is through the skills that I've learned over the last year. Let me explain. Currently, I edit all of these videos myself, and this has given me the necessary video production skills to not only enhance my business, but also to sell this as a service. Now that I've learned how to video edit, I can use this as a fantastic tool to help market my business. I've been able to produce some video content that has led to clients inquiring about my services and also buying some of my services, but it's also led to other companies wanting to partner with me. Now, because of some of the marketing content that I've been able to produce, this has led to increased bookings, increased connections, and increased exposure. Had I not committed to YouTube a year ago, I may never have learned these new skills. And learning these new skills and applying them to my business has helped me massively. Now, the other way I mentioned is partnering with another company. They've seen my business videos, they've seen that I'm comfortable talking in front of a camera, and they've seen that I can video edit and produce all of this myself. So they've asked me to deliver some content for them and pay me. Now, I've been doing it for free for a whole year for my YouTube channel, but I've just been paid to create some videos for someone else that took me no time at all. And if it wasn't for starting this YouTube channel, I doubt very much that I would have learned these new skills. Now, when it comes to earning more money or running or starting or growing a business, there is so much more to learn. And if you want some more tips, tricks, and advice, why not check out my business playlist right here. And if you're someone who gets inspired by other entrepreneurs and wants to hear about other entrepreneurs' journey, check out my Inspire and Be Inspired playlist, which should appear about here. But most importantly, remember, support the ting.